If you're going to send quotations and invoices from Teamleader Focus, you'll want to make sure they look great and suit your company style. So how do you create them? Just go to Settings, select Document Layout, and here templates can be found for every type of document you can make in your Teamleader Focus package. In this video, I'll focus only on the quotation templates since the others work in the same way. So notice that you can add more than one variation, more than one layout type if needed. If you want to change a document layout, click it. The first thing you'll need to do is download the template. So you can do that by clicking Download Current Template, and then you'll have this file, this Word file. It looks kind of strange to begin with, but this is the basic template. So all these words in between dollar signs are called shortcodes. They're variables that represent information which will be added to your document. For example, client info will generate the name and the address of the company or contact you're sending a quotation to. Date will generate the current date. The quotation text corresponds to the introduction text on your quote. All these codes will be translated automatically according to the language set for your contact or client. If you add a regular text, this will not be considered a variable, of course, and it will be shown literally on the quotation. Now, if any information is missing, you can always check the list of shortcodes, which you will find on the page here. View shortcodes. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see the codes corresponding to the type of information they will generate on the right-hand side. So all you'll need to do is copy-paste these in your Word file, put them between dollar signs, they will be applied. At the bottom of this list, you will find a list of custom fields you have made, and you can add those as well as variables to your document. So custom field code here corresponds to my extra field for delivery address. I have a custom field called type on deal level. I could just copy paste this one and I could add it to my document. I'll just add it here. And I'll put it in between dollar signs, and then that will be applied. I might want to change the layout of it. It's not yet in the font I am looking for. There we go. I could also change the color of this bar, for example. Or I could move the client info to the right. I can add a bit more space here. Then I could just save. I can go back to my page for my quotations. I can upload my template, double click, and now it will be applied. Now you've noticed I set as font Calibri. If I go to the advanced options here, I've selected as my fallback font copy from Word, so it will apply Calibri. I can select some basic fonts here in the list as well. If you have a special type font, it's possible it will not automatically work and you will need to make some changes in the CSS settings of your document. You can do that by clicking Edit next to Custom CSS. Now, if you're not familiar with this, no problem. We have an article explaining this. Just click the question mark on top, click Support Center, add CSS as a keyword, and we have an article explaining how this works. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can also contact our support team by clicking the Contact Us button. Now, you see Visit Our Template Gallery here as well. So if you go there, you will arrive at this page, which is a list of potential types of documents you might create. You might base your own style on with certain preferences. If you want a hidden quotation text, for example, you can download this one to go from there. If you want to add more subtitles, we also have the different templates for invoices. So whatever preferences or needs you have for your company, you can have a look in this template gallery and go from there. Now, if I go to the deal page and I modify my quote I have already made here, I can just select my template here. So I'll select my default template. I have a second one. I could select that one as well, but I'll go for my default layout. I'll save. Then I can add an introduction. So I already had it here, so I will save. If I look at my quotation now, it should be changed with the colors, with the client info more to the right, more space here. My custom field value, which I've added here, that comes from this field, so my type. And that's basically it. So if you need help with your templates, we offer services to create them for you. Just contact us for more information. But good luck and let us know if you need any help.